Hi, I'm Anne, and today I'm going to show you how I've been making face masks during lockdown for the Voyage Learning Campus. There are lots and lots of tutorials and videos on the internet through a whole lot of different mediums if you want to make a face mask to show you in more detail how you can make them. But today I'm just going to go through with you quickly how I make my masks. Now, there are three basic types of face mask on the internet that you can make. There are this type, which is the pleated type. There is this type, which is the type that I've been making, the fitted type. But you can also, if you don't have a sewing machine, make a no-sew face mask using a pattern like this, which you can cut out of t-shirt fabric, which stretches and then fits over the ears. Now, the pattern and the instructions that I've been using are from thequiltycrafter.com, and she gives you detailed instructions of how to actually make the face masks, but also provides you with a pattern like this. You need one piece of fabric, which should be 100% cotton, 36 by 18 centimetres. I also use a lining fabric. I cut two pieces out of lining fabric out of the inner face mask. So my face masks have got 3 layers. Along with that, you need a piece of pipe cleaner to give you a clip across the nose, and also 2 pieces of elastic, which are 15 centimetres long. After you've cut out your pattern pieces using your template from your fabric, the first thing that I do is join in my lining fabric by putting it on the right side and using my overlocker, which is here, to stitch down the side. Now, if you don't have an overlocker, you can use an ordinary sewing machine and then zigzag it to give it a nice neat edge. I then fold that over and do that for both inner bits, like that, and then put them together, right sides together, and then use my overlocker to stitch down this edge here like this. And that gives me a piece like this, which you can see there. Now that's got this nice edge here, so on the finished mask, you can see that it gives us a nice edge here. After we've done that, we then take the front of the mask and again sew down the front seam like this. Open this one up, put them together like that, and sew along the top edge and the bottom edge to join the 2 pieces together. That then gives you a piece like this, and you can see the edge that's there like that, nice and neat. Once you've done that, you then attach your piece of pipe cleaner by folding it in half and twisting it round, and then I zigzag it carefully to the top seam like that, making sure that the metal edges aren't sticking out and sharp, and that gives us a nice nose clip to hold it in place. We then turn this in the right way, fold the seam up at the bottom, turn it over twice, put in your elastic. You may want to pin that in place. Do the same for that side, and then stitch with your elastic in the bottom there like that, and then stitch all the way down, top stitch it to make it neat, turn it round, and then put this bit in the top there like that, and again go backwards and forwards to make sure that it's held in securely, top stitch along the top, being careful of the pipe cleaner, And then you have your finished mask. This finished mask has got a pocket in it now that you can put your filter in it, a non-woven filter in there to make them even more efficient. And you can make them out of any sort of 100% cotton fabric to give you the look that you want. Thank you.